Hi friends, I'm in my kitchen because today I want to tell you two salads that I'm obsessed with this summer. So, Southwest salad and Orzo salad. Now you can make them with or without meat, but let's get started. So I just came from Trader Joe's, so I want to do a little Trader Joe's haul at the same time, which by the way, they have their peonies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love peonies, and anytime they have them, I just grab a bunch. So go get yourself some peonies from Trader Joe's. Okay, and also, I'll just start with, they have Chateauneuf de Pape red wine, and get it. And I just love saying that name, and it's French, and go get it. So on with drinks as well, they have the Pompelmo, which is grapefruit Pellegrino. So that's really good in the summer for cocktails and whatever you want, or just virgin over ice. So there you have it. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple items and then get to the salads. Of course, I love to get their penne. It's 99 cents there. What a deal. And jasmine rice. Like, I just always have those two things on hand because I can always make a meal out of those. And then these little nuggets, dark chocolate orange sticks. Yes, please. Have you ever had these? They're amazing. Go get them. And they're nice to have if you have a dinner party or whatever. You can put them in a little pretty glass, crystal, whatever jar. So, okay, so this salad. Now, I like to call this a starter salad. So you get the Southwest salad from Trader Joe's, and it's got like onions and corn and cheese and bell peppers and whatever. You put that in your bowl, in your salad bowl, but then you add to it. So I like to add 1 can of black beans, 1 can of green chilies, 1 like head of lettuce, probably a red leaf lettuce. That's what I like to make like a Southwest salad out of. And then they have these, look at it, it's literally called teeny tiny avocados. So you get they were the ripest ones today, and I'm like, I'm gonna get the teeny tiny. So I got those. Okay. And then you can just add whatever you want to add, ground beef or chicken. There's a Southwest salad, and it's so easy. Like, are you kidding me? And this will double. I like to put a bell pepper in my Southwest salad as well. And anyway, so go get all those ingredients and go make yourself a Southwest salad. Okay, then the Orzo salad. Okay, the Orzo salad. Now I'm just going to show you. This is from Pinterest, but this is what it looks like when you're done. Okay. But this is what it takes. So you get one thing. This is from Trader Joe's, Italian Orzo, 1 package. Then, guess what they have now? Sliced Kalamata olives. Because who wants, I mean, I love Kalamata olives, but in a salad, I think it'd be better to get the sliced ones because then you have little bits of it instead of the big old whole ones. And then, of course, I love to add grilled artichoke halves, again, from Trader Joe's. 1 bell pepper. 1 package of the mini heirloom tomatoes. They're the colorful ones. Throw that in there. Then feta cheese, cucumber, and this is their, what is it called? English cucumber. So I like the English cucumber. But will you please fill it when you're at Trader Joe's? Because if the ends are mushy, don't get it. That means it's starting to go bad. Make sure it's firm, okay? Cucumber. Then I like to chop up some scallions, green onions on the diagonal. And then last but not least, now again, you can chop up salami if you want to put meat in it, or chicken, chop up chicken and put it in there, or you can just have it, you know, just plain. And then the dressing. Are you ready for this? This is the easiest dressing in the whole wide world. You get basil. I mean, and basil. Oh, I don't have it out. Anyways, put fresh basil chopped in it, but basil pesto, you can get it from wherever, or you can make it yourself. Olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and basil, and salt and pepper. Anyways, so you put, I would say like 2 tablespoons in a jar with 1 part olive oil, so like a half a cup of olive oil, and then a 1/4 cup balsamic, so it's half of that. And you mix it all together, and that's your dressing, and you have a summer Orzo salad. How easy is that? Oh my gosh. So anyways, and if, by the way, you have a pot filler, like I do in my kitchen, when you're cooking Orzo, make sure you fill your pot with your pot filler. So there you have it. Have a wonderful summer. Watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Love you. Bye.